Strengthen yourself. Strengthen yourself for failure and through failure. Condition yourself through trial and error. Through trial and error. See, it's the number of failures and the number of trials and errors that you must go through and that you commit yourself through, and most importantly, that you learn through, that will determine if you are successful or failure. See, I made a post about this on Facebook, and a lot of people started inboxing me about it because it was simple and plain, but it made all of the sense. Oftentimes, we are very hard on ourselves. We are hypercritical and over-analytical about the fact that we may have wanted to do something and we embarked on that journey. And for some reason or another, the outcome didn't happen the way we wanted to. Some may call it a failure. Some may say it was unsuccessful, but it didn't work out the way we wanted it to. And that can be a letdown, especially when you have a dream and a vision, because you can see it in your head, but for some reason, when it's transcribed into reality, it didn't work out as planned. But here's where I say you must look at. Drug companies and product marketing companies, they all have what's called a research and development department. A research and development department. And for many and most companies, aside from the human resources portion, meaning how much they have to set aside to pay their employees, the next biggest line item for their budget, where they allocate the most amount of cash, is the research and development department, because they are investing in the future of a product. They have belief in certain products that are going to come to fruition, but research must be done. Trials must be done. That's why when you hear companies, drug companies, oh, it went through this many trials. And what are drug trials? Drug trials are enrolling people in to a study, administering them either a placebo or the actual medication, and looking for a desired outcome or tracking adverse side effects. And they enrolled thousands of people. So each person, each patient enrolled in the study is a trial. So when they have thousands of, that means that drug has been tried over thousands of times. Sometimes it doesn't work in one person. Sometimes it really does work in one person. Sometimes we get results that we didn't expect, right? But nonetheless, when drug companies and other product marketing companies engage in funding research and development departments, all they're doing is paying their employees to test, experiment, document outcomes, try it again. It failed, try it again. Tweak this here, try it again. Didn't work, modify this, try it again. And it is trial by constant fire that over time, once they finally reach the desired settings that are required to yield the desired outcome, this is when they feel they have reached success. And sometimes this may go on for weeks, for months, for years before a product even sees the light of the commercial market. And even then, if we're talking about drug companies, it still has to prove the trial by fire of the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA. So, the FDA could say, you know what? I see the data, we analyzed it, but this right here doesn't seem like it meets our eligibility criteria for passing, and we're going to deny that. And so this is where you see millions of dollars lost by companies as they fund research and development. But this is what I'm saying to you as an individual. You must be willing, if you believe in your dream that much, you treat your dream like a product or a drug that a drug manufacturing company wants to get to market. You have this dream, this goal, this desire that you want to get out into reality. But just because you tried it one way this one time and you did not get your desired effect does not mean that you need to stop your operations and stop your pursuit of your goal or dream or purpose. No, just like a research and development department inside a company, you must try again. And if it didn't work the second time, try it again. It didn't work the third time, try changing up something, alter something, tweak something, modify something. See what you can change that might give you your desired effect, that might yield the actual and ultimate goal that you have set your mind to. And you keep tweaking it and tweaking it, sharpening it, and putting it out there and seeing. That's what you call a relentless spirit. Being persistent and consistent. This is what's going to get you your dream, your purpose, your goal, your mission. Stay at it. Do not let one or two or three attempts and failures be your permanent diagnosis. Constantly work and analyze where you went wrong, learn from it, capitalize on it. And I don't think we do this enough. We listen to people such as myself, our family members, our friends. They can tell us that till we're blue in the face, but we don't truly listen or do. But you look at all the greats. That's what they do day in, day out. If you ever look at Tiger Woods, how many hours? If you ever look at Kobe Bryant, how many hours? You look at Jordan, how many hours? Right? Hours in the gym, routine, repeat after again, repeat. Nope, that wasn't repeat. Nope. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Until it's to the point that it is automatic. Until it developed a new, they say, muscle memory. This is how we have to be about the pursuit of our dreams. So the message in this, stop letting a person telling you no or not now, or you may have gotten public ridicule, or things may not have turned out the way you wanted. When you attempted something for a time or two or three, if you really want it, keep at it. Remember, as they say, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. Swarthy and Swank.